Yes, Christmas has made everyone happy and cheerful.
Elvis, look! Santa!
What Santa?
Visiting our town.
But who is visiting our town?
Are you doing this purposely?
No, I just wanted you to know that you should always use a complete sentence so that its meaning is understood. The correct sentence here would be, look, Santa is visiting our town.
Oh, is it? Please tell me more about it.
Sure, Omar. Every sentence is like a picture. You understand something from it. Just look around. If there were no Christmas trees, would the picture of Christmas be completed?
No.
Similarly, if we remove some part of a sentence, we will not be able to understand its meaning. Let's learn to make a sensible sentence. Every sentence is made up of two parts, a naming part and a telling part. A naming part tells us who or what the sentence is about, and the telling part tells us something about the person, animal, or thing in the naming part. For example, in a sentence, Santa is visiting our town. Santa is a naming part since it tells us about who is doing something. So, this becomes the naming part of the sentence. In this sentence, is visiting our town tells us about what Santa is doing. So, this becomes the telling part of the sentence. Christmas trees are dazzling. In this sentence, Christmas trees is a naming part and are dazzling is a telling part. Children are playing. In this sentence, we are telling about children. So children is the naming part of the sentence and are playing is the telling part. A sentence is like a picture. It cannot have a missing part. It must give a complete idea. For example, shining in the moonlight. It does not tell us about who or what is shining in the moonlight. That is, we do not get a complete idea or a picture. Now look at this sentence. A snowman is shining in the moonlight. Now we get a complete picture of a snowman shining in the moonlight. Remember, a sentence begins with a capital letter and usually ends with a full stop. Let's see another example. It's snowing today. Here, I of the first word, it's, is in uppercase and the sentence ends with a full stop. Now look at this sentence. Spread has Christmas all over happiness. Do you understand the meaning of the sentence? No, we don't. Since the words in the sentence are not arranged properly. Let's place the words in correct order. Christmas has spread happiness all over. Now the sentence makes sense. So to make sense, all the words of a sentence must be placed in a correct order.
Wow! Now I understood how to make sensible sentences.
Let's repeat it.
Yes, every sentence has two parts, that is, the naming part and the telling part. The naming part tells who or what the sentence is about, and the telling part tells us something about the person, animal, or thing in the naming part. A sentence begins with a capital letter and usually ends with a full stop. The words in a sentence should be placed in a proper order.
Very good! This Christmas has blessed you with sensible sentences.
Oh yes!
If you like our videos, please do share and subscribe to our channel.